Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lipsticks onto your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and then tap on the plus icon to open up a photo from your gallery. Once you open up your desired photo where you would like to add your lipstick, tap on the Tools option. From the Tools option, tap on White Balance, and now with the temperature mode selected, turn the slider towards the right and set it to 100%. You can then swipe up and choose Tint. After choosing Tint, make sure that you set up the shade of lipstick that you wish to apply to your photo. After choosing the shade, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now tap on the layer icon at the top right. You can then tap on View Edits and now tap on White Balance and tap on the edit icon. You can now zoom into the photo and simply touch the areas where you would like to apply your lipstick. Once you have highlighted the lips, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner, and once you tap on the tick mark, your lipstick will be applied to your character. Now, while this is just a demonstration, you will be able to apply it perfectly using this method. You can then export your image by tapping on Export, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply lipstick to your photos on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.